Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you some more easy, healthy snacks that taste delicious, they're quick to make, and they're just perfect for when hunger strikes. I also have a bonus recipe, which is a delicious carrot cake smoothie. So if you want the recipe for this, go on over and head to my Instagram to get that. I also want to remind you guys that I do have a healthy snacks playlist, which I will link down below. It has all of my favorite snacks, all my snack videos in one place, so you guys can head on over there after you're done watching this. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing we are making are these pumpkin fat bombs. I'm starting off with some coconut oil, which is a great medium chain triglyceride oil that helps to stabilize blood sugar and help with weight loss. It's also rich in caprylic acid, so it's great for killing off candida, which can lead to digestive issues and acne and much more. I'm using some fresh pureed pumpkin. You want to get 100% pureed pumpkin, not sugar or anything like that. Pumpkin is rich in fiber, rich in beta carotene and potassium. Then I'm going to add in some ground flax, which is really high in fiber. And fiber not only stabilizes your blood sugar levels, which means you won't get cravings, but it also helps with weight loss because it helps keep you full and also for maintaining a healthy weight as well. I'm adding in some pumpkin pie spice, which has some great warming spices, and then I'm mixing that all together until you get kind of like a nice thick dough. Just make sure that the coconut oil and the pumpkin all kind of combine and you don't have chunks of coconut oil anymore. So just combine that until it is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to be adding in a large spoonful of almond butter for some flavor. And again, almonds have great vitamins in them. You got vitamin E, we got nice healthy fats, protein, and they really help keep you full. That's why these are called fat bombs. They're full of great healthy fats that help to satisfy those hunger hormones and help to shut them down. Then I'm using an ice cream scoop to make these little molds of little pumpkin fat bombs. You can make round ones, you can make small ones if you want. I like making them a half scoop because this way they really like satisfy you and you really feel like not hungry anymore after you eat one, which is the point of a healthy snack. So I love the way these turned out. They're perfect for fall and you want to store them in the freezer and then you can just take one out whenever you get a craving. So once your pumpkin fat bombs are done, they will look like this. I would store mine in the freezer and then you just take them out whenever you want one. Let's go ahead and have a taste. They're perfect for fall. They feel rich. With the fiber and the fats are really going to help fill you up and help you feel satisfied. They've got that flavor from the pumpkin spice. So you really feel like you're eating something really decadent, kind of like a pumpkin loaf, but in like a fat bomb form. Next up, we're making some roasted peas, which is basically a spin on roasted chickpeas. So I'm taking a cup of peas. These ones are frozen. You can use fresh or frozen depending on what you can get your hands on. I love that they're full of protein, plus they add some greens in. I'm putting a tablespoon of avocado oil because it has a higher smoke point, along with some Himalayan salt, which helps to balance your pH, and garlic, which is a great antibacterial, antifungal, super good for you, especially heading into the winter and colder months. Along with ginger, they both help to support your immune system. So you stir that together. You can also add like a chili powder if you like them spicy here, or any kind of like more spicier herb. So you stir that together until everything is coated and distributed. And I love peas. Like I said, they're full of protein, they're anti-inflammatory, and they're full of iron. So I'm putting that onto my silicone baking sheet, which guys is one of my favorite things. And you want to spread them out so they're in one even layer. And then we just pop them in the oven. And then you want to stir them every 8 to 10 minutes until they get crispy. So mine took about 35-40 minutes. And then you have these wonderfully crispy green chickpeas, perfect snack that also adds in some green and some iron. So once your peas are done and out of the oven, they will look like this, and they're just little crunchy peas. So let's go ahead and have a taste. Oh, they're tasty. They've got a perfect amount of flavor, a little bit of crunch to them, plus you get the protein from the peas. And I like to kind of change up from a normal chickpea to use peas instead. You get greens in, super yummy. And lastly, we're making these super quick egg cucumber bites, which is a great way to have a little snack. So I'm hard boiling a couple eggs. I like to hard boil some eggs and keep them in the fridge, either to have in salads, in meals, or as snacks like I'm showing you guys. So I would suggest making a few hard boiled eggs and just keeping them in the fridge to have throughout the week. So I'm slicing my eggs, and then I've sliced some cucumber and I'm laying those out onto a plate. And then it's super simple, guys, as you're about to see. You literally just take the slices of egg and you put them on top of the cucumber slices. So then they become like little bites. super simple, and eggs have all the essential amino acids in them. They have proteins, they have fats, and you want to have proteins, fats, and fiber in any one of your snacks to help balance blood sugar and for healthy weight management. So you put them on top of the cucumber. Cucumber is hydrating, plus it decreases your risk of certain cancers like breast, uterine, and colon, and it also aids digestion. I'm putting a little pinch of paprika for flavor along with the Everything but the Bagel seasoning, which, guys, I really put this on a lot of things. So if you haven't gotten your hands on this, I'm going to leave a DIY recipe below if you're not near Trader Joe's. But either way, such a quick, good snack that's refreshing. You got protein, fats, fibers, and like I said, it's super yummy. What I love about this snack is it's super easy to make, and you can definitely make it in advance too. So let's go and have a taste. So good. You get a little bit of crunch. The Everything Bagel seasoning tastes really good on top as well. And then you get the refreshing cucumber, but you get fats and protein from the egg. So this is definitely one of my favorite really quick ones to make. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite snack is right now. It doesn't have to be from this video, but what your favorite go-to snack is right now, because I want to know. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.